the starting point now of today's tour. Actually, a two-day tour.
And tomorrow's tour, yeah.
So 2 days we are hiking to a local village here near Luang Prabang.
Yes.
Stay.
Also with an overnight stay with a local family in a local village.
So we have no idea how this is gonna be.
It's gonna be very interesting.
It's gonna be very interesting. And yeah, we take you there now.
Yes.
It's a 5-hour walk. So
Up the hill.
up the hill, looks very steep, but yeah, let's see how it turns out.
Yes.
Best flower.
So our guide just left us with a huge knife. He's obviously looking for something that we need for our lunch. And yeah, let's see what it is. I just see a tree falling. Oh, so he's coming back.
Banana table.
On our way.
To
the
the
top.
first village.
We already crossed many rivers.
Yes. Our shoes get wet.
Oh, there's a cow. Back to nature. We just reached the first village. We are standing right in front of the supermarket
Yeah.
where you can buy a lot of stuff.
And the cow is just coming around the corner and she's somehow stressed.
It's pretty cool, pretty rural.
Yes.
We already bought a wristband
For luck.
for luck from the children here. And now we just continue our trip around here
And show you around a little bit.
see what this village is.
Running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Woo-hoo. Well, you're begging me to stay, but I'm going my own way, and the skies ain't looking cloudy or gray. I won't even roll the dice so that you can't play me twice, no babe. Who do you think I am? Well, I'm gonna take my own road, and I'm sorry, baby, you can't go. Gotta hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gotta hit the ground running, running.
Very warm welcome to our terrace.
Yes, it's a very nice terrace with a very nice panoramic view in the middle of the village where we'll spend the night.
Yep. It was a long hike,
A very long hike.
pretty exhausting hike, but it was very well worth it
It's very steep.
because, as we said, we have a beautiful view all over the city. I think this is like the best house to be in
Yeah.
the village. And
It's very rural.
it's very rural. But anyway, we're gonna show you around our house for tonight. So let's go inside.
Yeah.
That's the dorm.
Yeah.
It's the master bedroom.
And yeah, the shower is not here because there's only, I guess, one shower for the entire village. And it's down there.
Yeah. And we were told we should go shower now because later, when everybody's gonna
Yeah.
shower, it's gonna be
Too crowded.
too crowded. So That's what we're gonna do now.
Yes.
At least a little bit, washing the face and stuff.
And then we're gonna help our guide cooking a Laotian dinner.
Yes. Already prepared the breakfast for us now.
Yes.
So what do we have for breakfast?
Omelette and barbecue pork and some chili shot again.
Oh wow, chili very important here in the Laos scene. That was breakfast. We are now about to go to the village once again.
And then start the trekking of the day.
Yep, another 5 hours of walk.